like messy. I just like to be messy. Hello everyone, just had to give you a little bit of sarcasm there. This is ShunaB back with another video. What I'm going to be doing is just reliving my infamous rubber band crochet braid base that I posted about almost 3 years ago. Now, it blew up unexpectedly, but I still wear it. As you see, my edges are still in full bloom, and I decided to just do these across here, but I still use the same thing, which is my Blue Magic, and I even start incorporating a little bit of wax because it helps to kind of keep my hair together because it's so soft. Just kind of rub a little bit, and you put your rubber band on, and I wrap like 4 times away from my scalp. Like that, and then pull a little bit and do the other one. hair is all done up. I'm just gonna be sleeking my edges down with some Eco Styler. I mean, they're already sleek, but I'm gonna sleek them more, give them a more polished look. And I did fill my edges in, as you saw in the video. If you're interested in that powder that I use, just go on down there to the description box. It's on the video, and you will see it. It will last for a while. It's been almost a week since I did that. Actually, it's been exactly a week since I did it. I put these in on last Friday or Saturday. Wait a minute. Today is Friday, so the graduation was Saturday. I didn't have these Saturday.
The number you have dialed has been changed. The new number is... Please note, the new number is...
I'm getting really old. I cannot remember when I put these things in my head. I'm trying to think, because my sister's graduation was Saturday. We went there. Zion's hair was done. I had Zion's hair in. Her little braids. Was my hair in braids? I want to say I did my hair that Sunday. I'm going to have to really go look. But I'm just going to say it's been in like a week. Yeah, they were not in Saturday. So I'm going to say Sunday. So I know I didn't have time to do them Monday. But yeah, they've been in for that length of time. And I've basically been having them up in that bun. Received an abundance of compliments. This is not new hair. I used this hair before on my channel way back, like maybe 2 summers ago, I think. I just saved it. I had got it for a hair review and I hated it. It's a good style. Like, I'll keep it in. I was going to take them out, but I will keep them in. But this is basically it. I love in my shirt. I need a huge glass of wine. Yes, I do. I do. I need it. A big one. Give me some Barefoot Moscato, some peach, or like raspberry, something like that. Don't drink heavily, but just to wind down. But you can do quite a bit of styles with this. Like I said, I prefer the bun, but if your edges are thin, oops, which is what I revolve my content around, most of it, as far as hair, well, my hair, I should say. Look into filling it in, because it will definitely give you a more appealing look. So where it be so thin, if you've been here, you know how my hair is, you know. But these rubber bands definitely help give the twist something to hold on to, if that makes any sense. And these are not light at all. I'll kind of bag the camera back. They're not light at all. Well, not when I say not light. They're not like feather light, like the passion twists are really light. These have a little bit of I don't know, like say you can feel these. They're not heavy to where you're way down or anything, but you definitely know the hair is installed, if that makes any sense. That's what I'm talking about. So it's not heavy to where you're gonna have a headache or anything like that. I honestly don't remember where this hair came from. I'll try to find it and post it. Look at those blue nails, pretty. This is Ruby Kisses 99 cents. But yeah, I got it from Amazon, I think. So I'll go dig it and put it in the description box. It's really shiny. This is a natural sheen to it. Don't have to put anything on there. I really like the color on the ends. Between Zion and me, she already have a little set in right now that I kind of rushed through because she wanted some. But I'm going to do her some more. She loved the colors. So I'm going to do probably rainbow or something. She's starting kindergarten, y'all. My baby's going to school. So like she just grew up. right in front of us. But yeah, so I'll be doing little hairstyles for her school and school shopping here shortly for her uniforms. But yeah, I'm gonna call it a day. I think I'm gonna just put these back up like I had them. They're really full. I'll show you the back. Really full. If there's gaps, you can just cover them. I don't know how it looks back there, but this is it as far as that. So I definitely thank you for tuning in. Like I said, I'm just gonna put them back up because I have a lot of work that I want to get done, and they will be in a way. So what I do is just take them, kind of put them all in the front, all of them. Yeah, just wherever they fall, that's where they be. Like that, maybe. I don't know. Let's see. Let me try it again. Maybe like that. I don't know. But yeah, I'll just kind of put them up any kind of way to where they're just sitting on top of my head. Kind of like that, and just twist it. Maybe pull a few down like that. Get them all kind of like this over, out of the way. Something of a such like that. But yeah, I said I really look individual, kind of in the top, like messy. I just like to be messy. No sense to try to be strategic with it. So yeah, definitely give it a try. But I like them for now. I'll say I may have any in for another. Whenever these get too loose, like the front always starts to get loose first, of course, but when it really gets loose up there, I'll go ahead and take it out. So maybe another week, maybe another 2 weeks I'll have these. And I always try to go 4 weeks with my crochets, if not 6. The maximum amount of time I've ever had something was 8 weeks, which was great because, like I said, my hair is very soft, though. It doesn't really hold well. But this is holding up just fine, and like I said, they've just been sitting on top of my head just like this, not giving a boo-boo. So appreciate you for tuning in. Peace out. ShunaB once again. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys in my next upload. Bye.